Hey guys, what's going on? I'm really excited that my purchase from Nootropics Depot just came in. This is about $500 worth of Noots. What do we got here? Pramiracetam, ashwagandha, bacopa, rhodiola, lion's mane, alpha-GPC, and oxiracetam. So let's go through them one by one, just unbox this thing. It took about 2 weeks to come in. There's your oxiracetam 180 count capsules, 750 milligrams each. Alright. For whatever reason, they seem to package the pramiracetam in this little extra protective covering here. I think this is the pramiracetam. If I could recommend that you get one thing encapsulated, it'll be this bad boy here, pramiracetam. It not only does it taste bad, but the taste will just not come out of your mouth. As long as it takes you to like just get some juice in your mouth or something. The taste, again, you can brush your teeth as much as you like. I'd recommend that you get this encapsulated. The rest of the stuff, I mean, oxiracetam doesn't taste that bad. I just got it encapsulated really for convenience sake. But let's go ahead and look at what else I've got here. Oxiracetam. Here we've got ashwagandha. This is the brand which most of the research that shows positive effects in ashwagandha is done on. It's the KSM 66, right? Alpha-GPC can pretty much fit everyone's stack. It's just a choline source. What does choline do? It helps with overall cognitive function. Also helps to fight estrogen, high estrogen levels, which is beneficial if you're somebody that is looking to improve their body composition. So I bought 2 of these Alpha-GPCs. This is bacopa, one of the more popular brands, 180 capsules. This is 320 milligrams. Good place to start is about 2 of these per day. So once, I would say after like 3 hours or so after you wake up, and then another time, maybe 5 or 6 hours after that. Twice a day, this is some good stuff. Your Noopept, and this is something I would recommend you do get encapsulated just because it's something that you have to dose in such small quantities that it's very, very hard to measure. Again, this is 10 milligrams. So if you're somebody that's purchased the Noopept powder, hold on, I think I have it here somewhere. Yeah, it's like, this is like the Noopept powder, right? And you have to just get like a spoon that is essentially so small, it's like a toothpick, right? So that's one reason why it's beneficial just to get the capsules, because again, dosing it that small will be difficult. And then last but not least, our rhodiola. It's an adaptogen, helps to fight stress, helps to fight fatigue. Wouldn't recommend that you take it on an empty stomach because it wouldn't really have its use. It's more like has that beneficial effect of feeling like you've had a nap, so just get mentally recharged. So this is something great to take, you know, like 4 or 5 hours into your workday, whether you're a student or you're in business or whatever task you're doing, anything that is going to be a highly cognitive demanding task. This is some good stuff here. And last but not least, one of my favorite right now, lion's mane. Lion's mane is one of the rare supplements that helps with BDNF, so that's brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It helps a lot of people with anxiety and very strong as a mood enhancer as well. I really like this stuff. My personal experience has been on it that I've just become more curious, been enjoying like social interactions more, even aspects of my work. So I'd highly recommend lion's mane, and that's it, guys. Nootropics Depot, thanks very much for the good service and looking forward to continuing using your products.